Hi everybody, hope you're well. Thanks for clicking on my channel. So about a week ago I took possession of this, my brand new 2022 BMW R1250GS. So it's been on order for about 2 months, and during that 2 months, no doubt like some of you good folk out there, been on the old internet, spent a little bit more money, and then I've ordered all these bits and pieces. So what I thought I would do over the next couple of weeks is do a series of installation videos, giving you any handy hints or tips how to fit the stuff onto the BMW, and I'll put all the relevant information in the description box down below. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around, and without further ado, we'll crack on. And today we're talking about fitting this. A frame cover set from that German company Wunderlich, courtesy of Nippy Norman. So what do we get in the box? Well, we get a set of D instructions and various sizes of bungs to fit in the various sizes of holes in the frame on the GS. So let's have a look at one of these bungs. It's very nice. It is very nice, and apparently, according to the Wunderlich website, these are manufactured, made in Germany, and dare I say it, they are not made in China. So very straightforward job to do. So before I do fit the bungs, I'm just going to go over the holes with a brush with some ACF 50 on it, and then wipe the excess away with a rag, and then fit the bung. So yeah, let's do that now. Can't be that difficult, can it? That's all done, and then I'm just going to start with this bung here, which goes in the up there. So it only goes in that way. So just going to push that in. Nice firm fit. So that one goes there. Again, top. So that's with 3 layers. Let's bring up some more holes. And then that one goes up here. And that really nice fit. And finally, the last one goes in the front of the engine casing. And there we go. So that's in. Yeah. And do the same for the other side. I have got one for down here, but I've got the Rally frame protector, so I'm going to leave that one off for the time being. I can't be bothered to take the frame protector cover off. So yeah, that's it, folks. Very straightforward, and I think it makes the bike look a lot better. So yeah, if you like the video, please, as always, give it a thumbs up. Any comments, put them in the comment section down below, whether you like them or not, whether you've had a problem with them falling out. Time will tell, but yeah, it's a big thumbs up for me. As ever, ride safe, take care, and we'll see you again soon in the next video of Bits and Pieces. Take care, bye.